Hello everyone, in this video we're going to create a very quick and short review about this powerful AI website called MSI AI Artist. So MSI AI Artist is a new player in the text to image AI games, but it's already making waves. It offers a streamlined interface and impressive results, making it a great option for beginners and more experienced users alike. And here are the takes about this powerful AI website. It's a great option for anyone looking for a free and easy to use text to image AI tools. While the features are somewhat limited, it's a promising outcome to the same. And here are the top benefit about this powerful AI website. The simple interface with an helpful prompt to produce details and visual appealing image with a transforming and also transform your photos into a different artistic style. I'm talking about the pricing list. They offer different wide range of pricing list, but talking about the most effective one is the free to use. Yeah, it is very free to use, currently free to users, but may charge in the future. So if you want more information about their pricing plan, you can get back to their website just to get more information about their pricing plan. So talking about the pros and cons about this platform. So the pros state a complete free. It is currently completely free, but a nice feature. It might be a bit costly, so, and also it is just to use. Even the beginners can use it. A good image quality with an interesting style. And talking about the downside, a limited to 10 generation per day. There are not as many customization options as other tools. So let me know in the comment section below what you think about this powerful website.